Oh, the pigeon! Alright, Grandad. Congratulations. Oh, hell! Woo! Oh, Tomo! I've got a wide angle lens on, so I think I got both of them. Oh no! That was naughty. I'm impressed, bro. Yeah. Pigeon's having a disastrous start. Rev it! Oh no, this is embarrassing. Robert Lacey's taking a piss out of the pigeon. Standard on a ride. We all want Nick to get up just so it annoys Tom. No, Nick! Pigeon is in. He's got some more speed. Oh, he can't do it. Oh my God!
Yes! He's gone for a roll.
We've lost him. We've lost him in there.
Yes, lad.
Yes, Nick. Oh, he's got it. You did good there, Pidge. Not many granddads have got up that, is there? Whoa, yes, Bobber. We're riding. Nicholas has left me. Let's get back up on the back of him. Nicholas, the only one running T-Move suspension today. Everyone else is on PCT setups. Woo! Nice trail. Conditions couldn't actually be better. That rain yesterday on that dry ground. Yes, now. Oh, the lads are riding well. Lovely bit of footage of Nicholas. Oh yes, we've got him on one. Go on, lad. Just taking some risks in there. Can't see anything. Yes, Nick. Oh, Bobby's on my inside. Brilliant bit of bar-to-bar racing there. No one's wanting to risk the long heather. Wow. Oh, Wales never fails. Look at the natural beauty. Pigeons absolutely dominating this ride. He's using his experience of all them 59 years. Officially became a grandad last night, this man in front. Bob's got pace. Yes, Bobby! Yes, now! That's sick! Captain Cook, go on, lad! Sit on it, sit on it! Yes, now! It's got some speed on. Power! Oh! Bailed. Oh! What's this way?
Alternative!
Maybe it's that Temu suspension.
I think that's what it is.
Yeah.
Too heavy.
That'll do. Well, he actually went a harder way, Tomo.
Then everyone.
So, Nick trumps you really there, unless you go back down. Well done, Nicholas. Determination paid off.
Patience.
Patience. Yes, Bobby! That was brilliant! Oh, yes, Nick! Oh, you haven't got the power on. Oh, bloody brilliant, lads! That was magnificent. It's this way, Bob. Off camber rockage. Oh, the pigeon's got some power down. Wow. Me and Nick. Oh my God, Nick. Oh, he's done. He's absolutely done us royal, hasn't he? I was fully clean until that point. He's doing. He probably. I was using you as a shield and you dived out way.
Not really that fucking enamoured with that.
Oh, he's filled us in. Uh-oh. Let's. Oh, she's running dreamy. Is he on better? I wonder how Teddy's getting on trumpet. British, whatever it is. Traditional Enduro. Where's the thing? Normally a piece of concrete on there. Oh, it's there. Got confused. I missed it again.
I think we want it to be further over there because I think we... Hey?
It's a big bog.
Shit.
Pull.
Oh, it stinks. Wow. Oh, it stinks, man. Oh.
Go that way, Bob. Let's try and get the pump.
That is so slippy, I can't describe how slippy that is. Oh! Yeah. Fuck, it's getting deep. Just like riding on sheet ice, is that? Oh! Some nice colours in here, like. So, for the viewers, what's happened is we are lost in the middle of somewhere where we vaguely know where we are, but we've never been on these trails before. And then Cookie's lost his Garmin watch, so the chance of him getting that again is pretty slim. And then Nick's bike's broke, so we're towing him. Oh, look at the strength for Bobby with that. Wow. Bloody hell, Tomo. The pigeon is flapping. 60. Nick's on road. This will be the last trail. The rain's coming. You can probably tell how dark it's got. We've got absolutely soaked. Nick's bike won't start, so he's got to keep it running. Cookie's lost his Garmin watch. We've had an adventure, found some new places. All in all, I've really enjoyed it, considering I wasn't even going to come out riding today. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe, because no one really is doing, and hit that notifications button as well, because apparently that helps. I don't understand it all, but you know, your grandma and granddad might, or your uncle's pet lizard, so ask them to subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Bosh! And we'll see you on the next one. Bosh! Alright, Big Dave.